we are live. So what do you got going on here?
Well, we're finally done. It took about 6-7 months, but the cargo trailer conversion is done.
Yeah.
We're excited because it's 5 more days and we're on the road. We're heading off to the Arctic Ocean.
That's right, that's our final destination is the Arctic Ocean. But in the meantime, for the first day, we're going to go up to Prince George, further on to Fraser Lake, catch up with Jake up there, and then carry on. So what's the significance of the sign? Why'd you make a sign?
Well, when we head off to Watson Lake, or when we eventually get to Watson Lake, there is a sign for us that everybody that goes and visits Watson Lake, they usually post their sign. Yeah. So I know that Bruce wanted his cool Geerage YouTube sign, so we quickly made up one ready for us to post.
Yeah, so there we go. There you have it. It's the outside part, what we're doing up here. So Donna, take us inside and see where we go from there. You can kind of see here.
I'm going to give you a rundown. So this is our kitchen. And here we store all our dishes.
Yeah.
As you know, that we're not going to be doing a whole lot of washing.
This is the way I do the dishes. This is my idea of washing dishes. Yeah. Take it and burn it. Except for there won't be any burning because many wildfires.
Coffee area.
Yeah. On that. Here's straight from Italy. Thank you, Gaia. Fantastic. Yeah, and we got our drawers there.
Our silverware. Underneath we have extra silverware.
Yeah, everything's double stacked.
Yes.
Again, double stacked. Yeah. In trailers, it's all about space. It's all about convenience of storage. What's in that one there? That's the usual. Yeah. Everything in there. So everything's tight. We've got our everyday stove to be used outside. We've got our everyday inside stove to the butane system that we're going to put up onto this area up here. So last time we were camping, we determined that what we were short is basically a stove space. That big stove that we showed you underneath there doesn't fit well on the counter, and it's too much heat for the bottom of the cabinet. So we decided to come back and put a drop down shelf here, and it's going to be good for that.
Yeah, this is for morning coffees.
Yep, morning coffees.
Outside would be the gas.
Yeah, well, the gas one outside.
But one note, you notice how everything is orange? We've created all the tea towels are orange because Bruce wanted to paint this cargo trailer orange.
Yeah, I still do.
I disagreed. I think I won because everything's white.
You
and
won
natural
for now.
Color, right?
She won for now. Like, let's not call it a wrap. This is just trip one with the war room here.
Anyway, so this is our bathroom. So we have a shower slash closet storage.
Yep.
We have the porta potty.
Of course.
And in here we have our cabinets all geared up for our Yukon trip.
Yeah. It's all my makeup that I need.
We have the lock for when we're traveling.
That's right. Just close it up, moving on.
This is pretty cool. This is where we keep all our pots and pans. Yeah. But what's really neat about it is we can slide it and use stuff on that side.
Yeah.
And
good idea. Fantastic. And then
this is the best part. This is one of my favorites. Is the pantry.
Yeah, that's all right. Turned out okay. I'm pretty pleased. It turned out. Just let me say something here. These hinge glide, these roller hinges here, they're not capable of carrying this kind of weight. So it sagged right away and it dragged on the floor. So what I did is I ran rollers underneath the front of those two. So it works really well now.
Yeah, rolls in nice.
Donna's happy.
Yes, and this is our extra storage for our clothing.
Yeah.
We haven't gotten the bins put in there yet. Some extra stuff.
And of course, it's going to be 95% Donna stuff and maybe 1% mine. And the rest is for Donna stuff. So there you go. It's kind of unfair, but whatever.
And here we have games and we have all our mosquito stuff. I hear that there's lots of mosquitoes up north.
Yeah.
Oh, and one thing that's really cool is we got custom made these blackout curtains.
Blackout curtains, yep.
And so we have Velcros on every window. This one is the small one for the Fantastic fan, and we just Velcro it to cover it so that...
Yeah, because the land of the never-ending day, it doesn't get dark up north, so you gotta have
Store
blackout
that
curtains.
there.
So there we are. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll
Here
show you.
we store all the power, batteries, and some water.
Everything's all full.
The solar system.
Yeah. Solar system's all in operation. Everything works good. So
Yeah.
yeah.
Everything is sealed. We have a fan. I was concerned about putting my head over here because I was sleeping, so Bruce made sure that it was completely sealed. We have a fan running. You can barely hear it, so that air pushes out.
Good.
And our bed. This is our bed up here.
The bed. You've seen the bed videos. One thing we did modify, Donna did come up with this point, is I've got from 4 more E-Track places to bring the bed down onto. See, the nice thing is when you're traveling, and it's all about how things travel and whatnot. So it's pretty tight up here right now. Everything is squished. Like the pillows are all squished, and I'm not gonna lie, it was hard putting the 4 pockets in there with the E-Track brackets in there with the bed being so squished. So she had me add these, and it's a good idea. And then now we'll be able to travel with the bed down. I want to call it an additional 8 inches or so, and then we can store things on top of the bed that we don't want to carry in the truck. So,
but having both gives us the option to actually use this space and be able to walk and not have to worry about ducking.
That's it. Yeah.
Right?
Now this works good. Like I can almost stand up. So like I can
an
almost
angle.
stand up. We're on a bit of an angle, and so you kind of got to duck. But hey, that's okay. That's a small price to pay for a good system. And then we have a cargo trailer, toy hauler back screen there. So we'll be able to keep the door open whenever we want because we have our patio out there. So that's it. What else can we go on to say about this place? Not a heck of a lot. I want to take a look around outside. Maybe we got everything ready to roll. What do you got here? You want to talk about any of this stuff?
Well, this is all you.
Okay, that's all me. Listen to her. So anyway, what we got here is the Julka system's all fully plumbed in and ready to go. Everything is ready for traveling. Everything is tight. Everything is sealed and able to take the jiggling of the roads and the trailers and things like that. So we have our outdoor shower area here. Put that anywhere you like. And then of course it all plumbed in and all the hot water coming out of there. So that worked good this way. I'm happy with this, with the door system. Everything works good. I've got 2 locks for it. Like it just goes in here and locks up there, and same with down there. So that all works good. No complaints about that. As you see in the videos of the ladder storage, we're going to be transporting our 2 solar systems up top there, our kayaks, and I've got a box and a spare tire, full-size spare tire. So that's good. One thing Donna wanted me to add, and I thought it was a dumb idea at the time, but a good idea now that it gets it up and secure. So in through here, I've got it all bolted through the back wall here. And this is secure. This is not going to go anywhere, but it's a bracket. I welded and mounted a bracket to the bottom of the trailer to carry this. So this is not just going to be for our shower and our kitchen use. So that's about all I can say for now. But anyway, yeah, I don't really have much more we can add to this. It is what it is, and we are ready to roll. So hey, let me get this camera here, put the back on here. So give this video a like if you wouldn't mind. And what else should people do if they get this video? If you like Donna in the video, subscribe. Let's see some subscribers go up, and maybe make comments and let us know what you want to see up north and whatnot. So hey, Bruce and Donna from the cool Geerage
Out.
There we have it.